Hey there, my name is Vanessa, and welcome to my blog, The Soul Restored. I am a truth teller and expert of life lessons, and I have an uncanny way to bare my soul and tell it like it is. I created this blog to be a resource to help you get through any emotional upset, trauma, and overcome anything that is still ailing you from the past. Everything that I talk about is straight from my own personal experience, so I offer unparalleled guidance and support. I want to offer you tools and guidance that I wish I would have had. I will show you how every trial, misfortune, and tragedy is for your benefit. I want to help you get back on top and living the life that you were meant to. I want to help you find your worth and your purpose. Here, I get real vulnerable and share my own experiences. I have an awful sense of humor, so I hope that you can either laugh or forgive me for the inappropriate or stupid things that I will say or do. John D. Rockefeller said it best. "Oh, how blessed young men are who have to struggle for a foundation at the beginning of life. I shall never cease to be grateful for the 3.5 years of apprenticeships and the struggle to be overcome all along the way. It is not misfortune, but the gift of education. My personal pain is an advantage." I hope you will consider this blog to be your very own support group and champion, fighting right next to you all along the way as you become who you were destined to be. Join me in reclaiming your spirit and passion for life so that you can live it the best. Thank you.